How to withdraw money from Vantage to bank account. First, you want to load up Vantage and make sure you have selected your live account and not a demo account. Afterwards, you will need to click on Profile found in the bottom right corner. From here, you will see the option for assets, deposit, transfer, withdraw. We will click on withdraw and it's going to look a little something like this. It's going to ask for the withdrawal amount. You want to type the withdrawal amount. 30 is going to be the least amount which you can withdraw. You can select max to withdraw all of your funds at once and then you will click on continue. Then it should look a little something like this. On the deposit section, you will select your withdrawal method. From here, you should see bank account, or you can also use a platform which is linked to your bank account, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, so on and so forth, or you can use your debit or credit card directly as well. You will choose that option and you will just follow the prompts, and that is how you withdraw money from Vantage to your bank account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.